Okay, so we are talking about SQL today. So today I'll learn how to install SQL on your desktop if you want to install SQL Server on desktop. Sorry that I've started recording this late, but it's not too late because it's just installation part. And I said I should record it. So from this point, once you have downloaded your SQL, from this point you can start going ahead with it because there are some technicalities, and that's why I choose to record this now. So so right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on execute. So click on execute. It's going to take some time. So you want to make the video to log, I'll pause the video then so that you can go ahead. So it takes some time. So the next thing you do, you click on next to next it. So this will show you also again. You click on execute. Note it will take some time. I need your internet to be on for this to work properly. So just give it some time to load. So once it has finished, it will show you this way. Then you click on next. Then to allow you to load the product function. Then it show you this way. Click on next. Uh, so this default to show you the computer name, the configuration, server. So we have computer name documents. This I don't need to choose anything. Just click on the next function. No, it's in there. So what you do now is you click on the next. So this time you have to apply the root password to it. So you apply your password. So it's let me hang my mic. So you apply your password to it. So you can choose any password of your choice. Uh, 1, 2, 3. So make sure the password is so if password is not strong, it will not go. So I have should I change it? Okay, so the password is medium. So please always type your password so that you can remember what you type. You can write it in a notepad. So that my password is medium. So let's try another password. So I have so the next thing you do, you click on next to activate it. So I think this okay. Just click on the next. Gain access. Click on the next. So apply configuration. So once you click next, you click on execute. Allow it to load. Let's click on execute. Allow it to load. So it takes some time to load. So to configure your MySQL, these are just the basic steps you need to follow. So it will take some time to load. Let me just pause for a while. So I run into some issues. So what I did, I went to my first of all I typed CDMA and get my command prompt because the port was not working. The port 306 was not working. So I type msservice.msc. Then it take me to this point here. Then I click on this side, come to this side, then I have to stop it from running. What you need just right click, then stop. If I want to start, I click on start. Then when I go back, I now went back to refresh. So I refresh from here. Let me close this. Close this, just type exit. Exit. So I closed it and now went back also. Just remove the 306, then put it back. So to show like this, so I've finished this one. So click on finish. Click on next. Just leave the default settings the way it is. Then click on finish. Click on next. So it's asking for the password. Remember the password you put in the other time. Now it's time for you to write that password. So you write the password here. Click on check. So say connection successful. Then click on next. So check if there is any features. So just click on execute. So allow it to execute. To take some time. Okay, so what happens now? So it has finished coming up. So click on. So this is the product configuration. Click on finish. So to show you for the product configuration also, just click on next. So this is the workbench. So starting up workbench after setup, my start HTTP shell after service, just click on finish. So you don't actually need this one, just close it. Click on close. So to bring up the MySQL, make sure that when you are doing this, you have enough data because this consumes a lot of data. So allow the workbench to come up. It will take some time. So the workbench will come up shortly. So, so let's wait for some while for the workbench to actually come up. So the workbench coming up. So it is here now. So this is not the workbench. So this is how you bring up your MySQL. This is how you install the MySQL workbench. So I believe that with this you can start off something with the MySQL. So the workbench is the user interface where we actually type our code, our SQL code. So that is the workbench. So this is the workbench we have here. So once you have your workbench, the next thing is to do, we have the MySQL. So this is the local instance of MySQL. So we want to create a local instance again. Click on the plus sign here. So you give it a name. So just type local instance. So, so local instance. On password, click on store in vote. So remember the password you typed the other time on your system. So you put the same password. So click on OK. Just wait for it for a while. Click on test connection. Okay, beautiful. So it says successful made. Made the MySQL connection. So information related to this connection. So this is a port name. This is 33 ports. Talk about this is the host. This is your SSL enable. So a successful MySQL connection was made with the parameter defined in this connection. So just click OK and OK. So it will show you. So how do you log into MySQL? Just click on this instance here to log into the SQL workbench. So wow, we are now in my SQL workbench. So this is the workbench. So workbench is where you type your code, where you can start doing bringing your table and every other thing. So this is what we use for the MySQL training. So you can use it to create an SQL database. You can also use it to set up as a data analyst student. What we do mostly is retrieving of data from our database. So you can see that it's very easy to install the MySQL workbench. The SQL, so on the system, what you can work. So what we do now, this is the MySQL file, so that I can easily open it the other time I want to open it. Right click and pin it to other taskbar or your so just pin it to taskbar so that when you need it next, it will be very easy for you to access it. So let me see if I pin it. Okay, it's now on the taskbar. So let me go to my taskbar. Okay, so I pinned it to the taskbar. So to install MySQL is very easy. Just follow the step on the video. Thank you. Okay, so see you in the next class. I think we are done for now. I do have a lovely time when practice. So I'll send you the file together with it, the download file. You can download it from MySQL. Thank you.